Sure. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Commodore Marta Mulkins, the commander of your Naval Reserve. What is the favorite part of your job? To visit the sailors in their Naval Reserve units or at sea. What's the most valuable piece of advice you have received? Admiral Tyson, 3rd Fleet. If you can't stand the heat in the kitchen, get out. Helps keep things in perspective. If I weren't commander of Naval Reserve, what would I want to do? I think I'd be a landscape architect. Wait, I am one. Do you have any work-related regrets? Not that I'm going to tell anybody. What are you most passionate about? I am passionate about telling Canadians what a great force the Royal Canadian Navy is and that they can be part of it through the Reserve. And I'm also passionate about getting young sailors to sea in the ships, to join the fraternity and sorority of the Naval Mariner experience.